welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj, and for today's video, pag-usapan natin si Oxscope. So update ko kayo guys. So last time is for the waitlist, exclusive invitation only. So now ilalabas sila yung beta, but of course may requirements sila for the early access kung sila lang makaka-access nga. So yun yung ating pag-uusapan for this video. Kaya wag kayong mag-skip guys dahil meron pa sila additional, meron na silang Galax campaign. So tuturo ko kayo step by step paano gagawin yung kanilang Galax at you can earn points as well from their Galax campaign. Kaya don't skip para wala kayo ma-miss na important details. Stay tuned until the end of this video guys. But before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So this December 12 na i-release nila ang kanilang beta. Ilo-launch nila yung beta pa lang guys. So ang makakaano lang yan is limited lang na slots guys. So may requirements sila kung sino unang-unang makaka-access sa kanilang beta. Okay guys. So kung nakapag-ipon kayo ng mga points, so this is your chance guys to check it out kung kasama ba kayo sa kanilang sa beta early access na launching nila guys. This coming December 12. I think tomorrow na. So today is December 12. So sa isang araw, December 10, 11, 12. Okay, sa isang araw guys. So today is December 10. So kakaano lang yan. Sinan nyo pala, hindi ko nakita yung email na yun nga hanggang sa inilabas sila yan sa kanilang Twitter page. So as you can see, ayan. So i-check nga daw kailangan is 50,000 users. Base yan sa inyong scope points. So i-check nyo na kung kasama kayo. So ako, I already got 15 points. So pang 10,436 ako. So pasok ako sa 50,000. So I hope na pasok ako sa yun yung tamang ranking guys. So i-check nyo na at makakaano kayo for the Galax campaign. You can earn additional 2 points. But take note dyan, nakalagay dyan is baka may delay lang. Kaya huwag kayong magmamadali. Okay? So gawin nyo na to guys. You still have until tomorrow at 11. So para matagdagan yung points nyo, gawin nyo na yung Galax campaign nila guys. Of course, you need to sync your MetaMask address or your wallet na sync nyo sa inyong Galax. And of course, sa inyong sa scope. Okay? Don't forget about that guys. And then, ayan. So kailangan i-follow ang kanilang scope. So na-follow ko naman na yan. So papakita ko lang. Kung hindi pa, just click the details or something and then click follow guys. And then yun nga, i-click nyo yung notification para updated kayo sa kanilang announcement. So doon ko kasi nakita. So hindi ko napansin yung email nila guys na nag-email sa akin noong December 7 na yun nga regarding sa kanilang beta launching. So nakita ko lang na yung requirements na first 50,000 users yung maka-access sa kanilang beta users. So, dito kailangan yung i-follow yung Oxscope scan ng kanilang Twitter account. And then, of course, dito muna, visit complete the form with scope chat email address. So, kung ano yung ginamit nyo, kung nakasali na ba kayo way back before, kung hindi pa, nasa description box yung link guys. Pero kung nakasali na kayo way back before, ilagay nyo kung ano yung email address na ginamit nyo sa inyong Oxscope. Okay? Sa inyong Oxscope waitlist form. And then of course, your Galax wallet address. Kung ano yung nakasync sa inyong Galax wallet address, yun yung inyong ilalagay guys. Okay? So kukunin ko yung aking wallet address. So sayang din to guys. Ito sa mga ina-ID na mga airdroppers. So ang daming hindi talaga kasi alam kung sino talaga ang magpapaldo or hindi. Pero ngayon kasi kadalasan parang ang nasa tingin nila is like more on sa Solana, yung mga Atom na airdrop, diba, yung mga built on Atom, built on Solana. So yun yung kadalasang nagpapaldo guys. Especially kapag alam mo na malilist siya sa KuCoin, Bybit, coin market cap, something like that. So, yung kadalasan nagpapaldo. So, ayan, nagawa na natin. And then, yung this one will be, ayun nga, follow nyo yung kanilang, ito sa Galax campaign nila. And the last one, ito, quote the tweet and mention 3 friends, guys. So, you just click nyo lang yan. And then, ba, may ganyan. So, ipopost nyo yan and then magko-quote kayo. I mean, ipopost nyo yan and then i-mention nyo yung 3 friends nyo afterwards dun sa comment section, something like that. So, ayan yung mangyayari. So, ayan, ipopost na natin. And then later on, magko-quote ako, ay mag-mention ako ng 3 friends. So, pero wala siya nakalagay. I don't know kung anong klase yan. So, ayan. So, okay. Pero nag-check naman siya. So, now we can claim 2 scope points. Pero nga, sabi nila, baka ma-delay. So, baka syempre, i-verify nila if tama ba yung pero pa rin ako, mag-mention pa rin ako, kaya don't forget about that kasi baka mamaya is hindi siya man. Although kahit nakaka-claim yan, pero baka paulit sa inyo. Kaya, gawin nyo na lahat. Yan. So, sayang din naman to. Like, for free lang naman din siya. And then, ayan, kung gusto nyo mag-refer, pwede rin naman, guys. Para maka-earn kayo ng maraming points here, and you can also join sa kanilang Discord and sa kanilang Telegram. So, yun. So, let's hope na until tomorrow, tumaas pa yung aking rank. I don't, syempre, kahit naman sabihin natin na sa 10,000, kung maraming maggagawa ng Galax, and then at the same time, marami rin magkakaroon ng referral. Of course, every referral you also get 2 points, guys, as well. So, ayun, mas maganda kung mas mababa pa yung ating rank na sa rank 1,000 para mas sureable kasama kayo sa first 50,000 users sa mga kanin sa early. So, until next time, guys, update ko lang kayo. Goodbye! Let me know.